this allows me to tune my drums very, very precisely and very efficiently and quickly. I love the silent ratcheting system. It allows me to really get into nuance of tuning. And I know no better and faster way to tune my drums than with the Firefly. So it's all about the concept and the construction of what you're doing, the mechanics. And that produces speed. The efficiency of motion, just like with this, you know? The speed here comes with the fact that when I ratchet this, I don't have to let go of the key. You know, I can hold it the whole time in my fingers and ratchet really quickly. I don't have to go one turn, you know, take my hand off, do another turn, etc., etc. So it's also about the mechanics and the motion here with this key. This allows me to tune extremely quickly. And you know, as a drummer, we all hate that, you know, long process of, you know, loosening all the lugs and going, you know, around the drum. It takes you like 3 minutes to take all the lugs off, take the head off or the hoop off, put the new head on, and then go back around and tighten them all again. It takes, you know, 5-6 minutes at least, you know, if you're fast, to change a drum head. With this, you know, this is literally a matter of less than a minute to loosen, I mean, 10 lugs like on a snare drum like this. Durability is important to me because I need to be able to rely on my equipment even after it's been lugged around the road or flown across the globe. I need to be confident that everything's always working, and my gear needs to be roadworthy, robust, and I don't want to have to worry about things breaking, you know, every day when I'm traveling, working, touring, etc. And that's why I really like the Firefly. It's CNC machined. It's a very simple product. It's got only 2 components basically, stainless steel and aircraft aluminum. And this is one of those, you know, tools that you can throw in your hardware bag, in your pedal bag, in your stick bag, and no matter how abused this gets on the road, every time you pick it up again, it's going to be working perfectly.